Hello and welcome to
Epcot.
Yes, we are here at Epcot. It is a cold, rainy Saturday morning in January 2022. And yeah, we are here today to just enjoy a day. We had reservations someplace, so we had to come. But it's cold and it's rainy. It is 9:30 and the people who are resort guests are going through right now. And I'm in a line where everybody else is. They hold us up by Spaceship Earth. So Jen and I zoomed in and tried to find a Figment bucket, but they're sold out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? Hey, we're in World Showcase now. Record time.
Yeah. And they have projectors right now.
Yeah, we gotta check this out. Yeah, look. Wow. Yeah, the show, the Harmonious new show. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, so we're warming up right now. Ooh, look at that.
Cups.
New 50th. That's a nice cup. How much is it, honey?
It's $50.
$50. That's all.
It'll probably be in the warehouse.
Big game.
Sometime next year.
Yeah. Right. Stay cozy. Stay weird, like Stitch. Check out the orange bird. The Vault collection. They have Art Defying Gravity and performance artists and musicians here by the beginning of World Showcase. And Minnie's here. Hi, Minnie. Minnie is out and about.
Take pictures.
Heading into Disney Traders next. Oh wow, this artwork from the Marvel Universe. Holy smokes, some good stuff here. Check out this Daredevil. And it is Festival of the Arts. So there's great chalk art on the ground. It is raining. So it is raining.
Oh my god, how beautiful is this?
Yeah, some are really good.
Amazing.
I look at one from
Oh my. I know. Cool.
oh, look, this Tinkerbell one. How appropriate for me, Statue of Liberty. Here's the popcorn stand. And we're going to be heading into the Creation Shop. Last time we were here, it was so insanely crowded. But yeah, not right now.
It was so crowded that we couldn't really see anything.
Yeah, it's not coming down.
Shopping.
Exactly.
Those are new bags. Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah.
They're really cute. Dooney and Burke. Of course, it's going to be $328, but it's so cute.
That is really nice. Yeah.
I'm not a Mickey and Minnie wearer, but I would wear that.
Yeah. Good one. But Dooney and Burke. Huh? And it's Epcot, so you gotta love Figment.
And this one.
That's a nice one. I like that. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, it's cute. This one.
And it's parked there.
35.
That's not bad.
And this is 37.
Yeah. And they have Star Wars stuff. There's Yoda. There he is.
That's a long one.
Yep, you got a lot of Star Wars stuff, Marvel, and the 50th collection. All right, now we're exiting, and you see they're still doing a lot of work. Epcot is a theme park of walls and construction.
What are they working on?
Quick stop in Cool World, because, well, we love Cool World. Hi.
Morning.
Morning.
Hi, all right.
Oh my God, they have the Beverly. I'm gonna get my Beverly. So Jenna is giving me my Beverly. And I don't know. Ugh. It's like, I don't know what it is. I like it. I don't know what it is. I like the Beverly. And Jenna's getting Joy from Korea.
Yes, last time we were here, they were out.
It's.
This is apple lychee.
What is it?
Apple lychee.
Okay. I like Beverly. Jenna's trying the Moldova.
I'm trying to find my favorite. I don't remember.
I thought it was Korea.
They were out last time.
Maybe it's Beverly. Maybe you love Beverly.
No.
Jenna's helping me.
Maybe cucumber.
I didn't really like that one. The Sprite one is good. I didn't really get the.
There is from Russia, a cucumber Sprite, which is really good.
Maybe it's Dominican Republic.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, that's it. This is the sweetest one.
Yeah?
And this tastes like very tropical.
Cream, yeah. It's like cream.
Dominican Republic.
It's the best.
My second favorite behind Beverly.
Please.
You haven't had Beverly in a long time. If you try it, you'll like it. I'm positive. It's good, right?
I had some leftover of the other one, and together they're pretty good.
Jen and I love Club Cool. We always have, and we're glad it's back, right, baby?
Yep.
Yay!
Absolutely.
Jenna's gonna splash around. Go ahead, Jenna.
Okay.
Go ahead, Jenna. No? Oh.
It's like 48 degrees today.
I know. Oh, look! Yay! Maybe later. And that's where Guardians is coming in, and you know what? We're gonna go to space. Orange is the fast one, and the green one is the not as intense version. Less intense, yeah. A lot less intense, actually. You know. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, it's nice, baby.
Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Pretty crazy. Look at that.
This is so nice.
Yeah. And that size is the less intense version, I guess.
Can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on.
So that was my first time on Space Orange. And it was really weird. It was really weird. The G-force is on you. It's not for long, but it is a very weird feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's alright. It's pretty good.
My chair wasn't completely like tight against my chest, and with the rotations, it was like
Just
closing more
out,
on me.
Yeah, yeah. It was good. It was good.
But it was good.
Yeah. Doing the postcard in space, so I'm gonna see how this works. Are you sure? Yes.
Which one?
And when you want? Yeah, we were green to space? That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do it.
Okay.
Please look up.
Go.
Yay, that was fun. Hit there, hit there. Jenna got rescued. Sorry, honey.
I think I won.
No, you got rescued. Alright, we're in a space gift shop now.
Kind of like soaring.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, look, the NASA head. That's nice. Uniform. It's nice. Very nice area. Very nice. Oh yeah, good.
That's smart.
We got agates. Agates. We got amethyst. Wow. Very nice. Geodes. Even got geodes, yeah. Pyrite. We even have pyrite.
Looks like gold.
Gold's gold. That's what pyrite is. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Space 220 where we're going to have lunch today.
Yay.
Very hard to get reservation. We got it kind of short notice. So it's pretty cool that we're going to Space 220.
Yeah?
Yeah. Our space themed visit to Epcot. To give you an idea, there's the ride and the restaurant entrance is right here. Okay, so we're heading in. I think it's this way. We're heading in. Wow, yes, we are heading in. Hi.
Are you waiting for the lounge?
I'm sorry?
For Paul?
I'm sorry? Yes.
Paul? Yes. Paul. You're going to take this boarding pass right here. Line up on this wall. We just ask that you don't pass the end and we'll get you guys up shortly.
Okay, thank you. Yay.
Drive system. Go. Tether diagnostics. Go. Magnetic field. Go. Gravity generator.
Go.
Epcot station. This is Centauri control. Checklist is complete. Initiating in 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Oh my.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard.
Wow.
Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
Wow, we're in space.
SV1, we are on our final approach. Roger that.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
Cool.
SV1 cleared for arrival.
Wow. Oh,
Head straight down this hallway, sitting up. I'll be right with you guys.
thank you. Hi. Oh, look at the back smokes. Holy smokes. It's cool, right, Eddie?
Yes.
Wow.
Hi, what's the name on the reservation?
Torres.
Taurus, and I can take your boarding pass.
Oh, cool.
120 miles above Epcot.
Wow.
Doesn't feel like it as you're coming up.
Yeah. Hi.
Have you been to space before?
No, I have not been to space before.
Well, hope you have a great first time.
Thank
This
you.
is going to be your table right here.
Okay, cool.
Your code in the middle is going to be your menu, and then your server's out.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Of course, enjoy.
Wow, huh? This is pretty neat.
Very nice.
Holy smokes. It's really cool.
Hi, space travelers. How are we doing
Hi.
this afternoon?
Great, how are you?
Good to see you.
Fantastic. My name is Alex. This is Kyle. He's going to be my assistant astronaut today. All right.
This is a really cool restaurant. It's really neat. Wow. So it's lunchtime. So we're gonna get the prefix menu, which is pretty cool, and it's $55 a person. And we're gonna get a lift off, you know, and we have items like mozzarella, calamari, the cauliflower, the Neptune tartare, a salad. And you get a star course. You got the tuna, salmon, a burger, flat iron steak. I might get that, I think. The chicken. And there is a pasta dish too, so pretty neat.
As it comes here.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
And you can also get like a salad, like a galactic lobster salad too. Like an additional or supplemental. Pretty neat. And you do get dessert. And I didn't see the desserts here, but no desserts. And of course there's a big selection of drinks here. A really, really big selection of drinks. So, but yeah. We'll see what we're gonna get. There's more space people. The space shuttle floating around.
It may take a little bit, you know.
We always catch them when they're like floating away from.
Friends, my name is Alex.
Oh, the astronauts are hiding.
Kyle is to be following around.
They didn't want to come out.
Before we can start friends, any food allergies I need to be made aware of.
What do you call this again?
This is the Planetary Punch.
Wow. That's crazy.
Fantastic. What can I answer for us, friends?
You see it?
Yeah, it's smoking. Jenna's gonna try it. There you go.
At least one for each.
Is it good?
It does taste like a pina colada.
It does?
Yes.
Really?
Absolutely.
I'm shocked.
Yeah. A delicious pina colada.
Nice.
Try it, baby.
I'm gonna try it real quick. So you're gonna hear me slurp. Oh my. That's different. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my god, there's a spaceman behind you. I need to turn you real quick. So with the lounge, you can choose from the prefix menu or the lounge menu. So you know there are smaller bites, you know, like a lobster roll and a few other things. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can get the prefix menu or the lounge menu when you're in the lounge. Or when you're in a restaurant, you can only eat the restaurant prefix menu. So yeah. But this is really nice, really cool. So far, so good. Yeah. It's getting pretty crowded. It's getting pretty crowded. Here's the lounge. Here's the lounge.
The Santa comes with a bench so it's like box toys, mushrooms.
And that's me and Jenna in space. Just holding hands, floating around in space, me and Jenna. Okay, I have the cauliflower here. I'm gonna share everything. But this smells delicious. It just smells delicious. And Jenna has this tuna tartare, which looks amazing. Looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
With crackers, and Jenna loves crackers. Calamari. Alright, we're gonna set up our table so we can share. Quick verdict. What do you think, honey?
Calamari is excellent. Tuna tartare, very good, fresh, cold. Nice, really nice.
Yeah. We were debating between the calamari and the cauliflower, because the cauliflower is very signature here. But cauliflower is really good. I mean, probably the best cauliflower we've had in Disney World, I would say.
Calamari.
Yeah. And not the tuna. The tuna is better yak and yeti, I think.
We were going to get the cauliflower. He said cauliflower. We got the calamari.
Oh, I say cauliflower?
Yeah.
Whoopsie doodle, sorry. I had one sip of drink and I can't talk. Sorry. How do you feel, baby?
I feel very good. Like my arms are a little tingly, and I think it has something to do with the drink.
Yeah.
But it could be because I'm in outer space. So.
That's I think you're not in space. So the food is here. And this is the flat iron steak. Looks really good. I got mashed potato with it. Flat iron steak. And Jenna has the burger.
Look at these amazing looking French fries.
Yeah, that's really good.
Look at these French fries. They're like steak fries, right?
Yeah, they look good. Oh my god. I gotta try one of those. It looks really good.
Wow.
Holy smokes. Look really good.
And they're crispy.
Yeah. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna get at it. Quick verdict. steak is excellent, the flat iron steak. And Jenna loves her burger. I gave her some steak too.
I love it.
Yeah, thank you, honey. Yeah. I mean, so far so good. The potatoes here are great.
It's cooked perfect.
Oh my god, yeah, good job.
Yeah.
And the mac is really good. So I mean, right now this place is really like a meal. Really, it's really worth it, right, honey?
Oh yeah. Here's the aftermath. As we drone over all the good food. Excellent experience. I highly recommend it. It was just wonderful. Paul got the better views than I did, but it was still really wonderful and very tasty. I like the slow-mo.
Too high up.
Oh yeah, that's a big hit. Everybody loves the lightsabers, everybody loves the space.
And you exit the same way you came in. So yeah. And back on the elevator.
Ride to Epcot will be a smooth and quick one today, so enjoy the ride.
Well, we really enjoyed Space 220.
Yes.
That was a great restaurant and a great experience, and I look forward to going back there again.
Yes, me too.
Yeah, and go for lunch. It's not as pricey and really good food. You can save yourself $20 a person.
The burger was excellent. The calamari was excellent.
Yeah, it was just a great place.
And the tuna tartare was delicious.
Yeah, but we couldn't film anymore because the weather is absolutely dismal right now. So we're going to call it a day. Yeah, so we hope you can subscribe and enjoy our further adventures. But for now, out from Paul
and Jenna's
Adventures.